the values of the unknown given a non-linear relation. So in this case, the variable x and y are related by the equation y equal to p over x minus 3x, where p is a constant. The diagram shows the straight line graph obtained by plotting xy against x squared. Find the value of p and m. So in this case, we are always making a non-linear equation from this case and change it into a linear equation. So I can see that in A, I can see that it is xy against x squared. So I need to make my y here become xy. So I times x to the whole equation over here, and I will have xy equal p minus 3x squared. And because of that, I can know that my xy here is my y, my x squared here is my x, and whatever behind your x will be your m, and the other side will be c. So in this case, I know my p will be equal to c. My gradient here, m is equal to negative 3. And p is c. C is your y-intercept, which is this. So p equal to a. So one answer, you get it. And gradient equal to negative 3. So we are required to find gradient from these two coordinates. So to find gradient, we need to use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equal to negative 3. And in this case, 8 minus 2 get 6 and negative m. So negative can cut away. You can get 6 over 3 equal to your m. And final answer, m will be equal to 2. For question B, we have a diagram shows the path of a straight line obtained by plotting y against square root x. And we also have a nonlinear relation, which is y minus 1 over square root x equal to p. So in this case, we need to make a linear equation. So to make a linear equation, we need to make the y become y and your x become a square root x. So y minus y equal to p square root x, and y equal to p square root x plus 1. And in this case, you already make your y equal to your y, and your x here become your square root x. So whatever behind your x is m, and whatever on the right side will be, on the other side will be your c. So in this case, we know that by applying 4, 5 into this equation, we can find the value p, because 5 is your y, square root x is your 4. So we are trying to find p here. You can see that 4 equal to 4p, and p will be equal to 1. And also, to find the gradient, we know that gradient is equal to your p. So you cannot need to find the gradient now. And what we do now is to find the value of q, which is here. So q7, q is the x, which is the unknown. So what we do is to apply into the equation. We have 7 equal to p times q plus 1. In this case, you already know your p is equal to 1. Substitute the 1 into it, and you will have this. So 6 equal to 1q, q equal to 6. So this is the answer.